The other way?
Away.
Turn it the other way?
Yeah.
Okay, say Happy Thanksgiving. What are you eating?
My turn around.
Oh, you want to see it? But then you're going to see me.
Come this way, girl.
See? Then you're taping Mommy. Happy Thanksgiving. Can you see me? You can't see yourself.
Right here. Good?
Yeah.
Can't see you. After I tape it, then you can.
Where are people sitting? Does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter. Anywhere. Oh, that's funny. Okay.
Okay, girl.
There's Deb, Ellis. Probably will cry that it's time to eat. Grandma Ellen.
Who's sitting there, Ethan? Are you sitting there?
It doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm sure maybe your dad wants to sit there. That's all.
Where do you want Grandpa Jeff to sit there, Ethan? Grandpa Jeff?
Next to me. You
So me and you will sit
next to
there.
me.
Me?
Next to you.
Me or Grandpa Jeff?
We'll sit, I guess Milton and I'll sit here.
Alright.
So
Dad, why
then-
don't you sit there?
Also, I put my wine there. You and I can sit there.
I'll sit there, you sit there.
Right.
And Deb and Mom over here.
Good.